Hi, and welcome to Bloom Accounting. My name is Jo. When running a business, there's of course a lot of compliance and administrative paperwork you will need to handle on a regular basis. I will list some items as a reminder, but bear in mind that this list is not exhaustive and there may be other applicable filings required pertaining to your specific industry or business. So let's look at the municipal level. You will need to renew your city business license. This normally is done annually, and depending on which city you live in, deadlines are different, but expect your annual license to cover an entire calendar year. While you're doing this, it's a good time to look at your annual insurance policy. Make sure you are properly covered because you may have increased inventory levels or other amendments or updates to your policy that you want to make. And at the provincial level, you might be required to file your provincial sales tax filings. The frequency varies depending on your business's annual income and can be monthly, quarterly, or annually. At the provincial level too, you'll have your employer health tax if you are a business paying over $500,000 of wages annually. I have a separate video explaining EHT a little bit more in detail. Now you have to file WorkSafeBC. This can be done quarterly or annually. Now if you are doing quarterly reports, bear in mind you will still have an annual report to do. So don't miss that one. And then finally at the provincial level, you'll have to file your annual information return with the BC Corporate Registry. This is normally done through your lawyer who maintains your minute book and corporate records. And finally, at the federal level, you'll have annual income tax return, known as your T2. Also your PD7A remittances. If you are processing payroll, this is the report that you file along with providing your payroll remittances. And then you have your T-slips. So if you are a contracting business in construction, you'll need to file your T5018. Please check my other video regarding that. Also, you'll have all your T4s, T5s, T3s, T4As, all your year-end T-slips need to be filed annually as well. And GST returns, so this is your federal sales tax, monthly, quarterly, or annually are the filing frequencies. And finally, if you are required to make any installments to CRA, make sure you do so. Installments are prepaid funds for a particular tax account, such as GST installments or corporate tax installments. If you miss an installment, CRA can charge interest. And yes, I know, doesn't sound fair that you are paying interest on prepaid funds for a tax liability not yet due, but it is what it is. To help organize all these, make sure you have a system in place to keep your deadlines and filings in order, or hire a bookkeeper or an accountant to help you. Late fees and penalties are not tax deductible, so let's not give the government more than what we have to. I hope this video serves as a reminder of various items that may be applicable to you. Feel free to call Bloom Accounting if you have further questions. Cheers.